guys, welcome back. It's another video with the Couch Potatoes. I'm Brian. This is Jason. Real quick before we start the video, shout out to the Rum Boys. Go to rumboys.com and buy yourself some merch.
Hey,
it's Jason here. We got a new series coming for you. This is gonna be Tater Tot. Come on in, Tater Tot of the Day.
What is up, guy? Brandon. We're doing the Tater Tot of the Day series. And what that pretty much is whose ever idea we're filming today is going to be the host, and they will be the Tater Tot of the Day. Today, we're going to be doing blindfolded Airsoft Marco Polo. Sounds really interesting. Let's get to it. We have a fourth person with us today. This is my good friend Alex.
What's up, guys?
What's up, Alex? Some of the videos with us.
All right.
And let's get to this Marco Polo.
You know, but before we start, y'all got some dope skateboards over here. Can we showcase these skateboards for a quick second? Show you what y'all made about? Oh, shit. Where's all this? Old school. Can we flip this around and see this pattern on this real quick? Yeah, you some skateboarding bros, man. But what we got over here?
Got a...
Oh, shoot.
My board goes about 30 miles an hour.
Damn.
Yeah, I guess I'm on an 18-mile range. It's fully electric.
Wow, that's dope, man. We literally are Back to the Future, fellas.
Yep.
Jason.
Got
What
some nice speed
is this?
here.
Wow, man.
Looking real good.
Jason, didn't you just customize this?
Yes, I did. Just replace this grip tape. We're gonna put the video probably that I did earlier on that,
Damn.
and see the aftermath.
We
right
just want to know what y'all were about, but y'all are cool, man. So
Right now we're going to find out who Marco is. It's a good thing to be Marco because you're not getting shot at. You have very little safety, so the rule is Marco can only point waist down. We're not all super tall, so it shouldn't be a problem. So let's get into Rochambeau
oh yeah.
and see who Marco is. Ready?
All right.
So it's rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yep.
All right. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Y'all scissors. Jesus.
4 out of 4, guys.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
All right, we got a rock, paper, cover, rock. Here we go.
So it's us three.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah.
It's a draw.
Well, scissor gets broken on rock.
Yeah,
I got
cut
paper.
You cut paper.
And he
All right,
covers
one more
him.
time then. It's a three-way.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Well, he cut both of y'all.
I had paper too.
We all have
Oh
paper.
my God.
All right.
Brandon, I swear to you,
Rock,
it's
paper,
scissors.
scissors, shoot.
What the?
Oh my God.
Alright.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ah, two paper.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Oh yeah.
All right,
So,
Brandon's Marco for the first time,
Oh, yeah.
and the rest of us are polos. You know the fucking game.
we usually. And I'm Rick, by the way, the cameraman.
All right.
Yo, this shit crazy. Look, you like a crazy man, bro.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
I better get the hell out the way.
Marco.
Polo.
Oh man.
Marco.
Polo.
Look at Brian. Where you going, Brian? Where's Brian?
Marco.
Oh shit! Oh my God.
Marco.
Polo.
Oh.
Marco.
Polo.
You know, for a fan of Batman.
Marco. Polo. Did I get you? No. Damn it.
I had to jump the fuck out the way on that one.
Polo.
Oh! Oh no.
Marco.
Polo.
Oh Jesus. Oh, he got him, bro.
Marco.
Polo.
Oh my God.
After that round, Alex has 0 points, Jason has 1, Brandon has 2, and I have 2. So what the point system is if you're the shooter and you shoot someone, that's automatically 2 points, and then they're obviously out, and that's the last 2. And then if you are running around trying not to get hit and you hit the shooter in the stomach, that's 2 points, and in the head, that's 1 point. So,
Cool, fellas.
rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
2 scissors.
So he's Marco.
All right.
Ooh, that was quick.
Let's go, Tustin.
I was looking
just
forward to it.
fucking-
All right, Marco.
Your perimeter. I'm always back here.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Oh, man.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Oh. Marco.
Polo.
Bastard. Marco.
Polo.
Yeah. Marco.
Polo.
Oh, shit. Oh!
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo.
Marco.
Polo. Up, he's out.
All right.
It's already out.
He was already.
I'm gonna choose rock.
So you have.
Oh, yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Yeah, he told you too. He told him too. He thought you were
I don't
bluffing.
lie.
The bluff was real, man.
You fell for that?
He fell for it, bro.
All right.
Good job.
We're back. Got the gun loaded. We just realized I have 5 points, Jason has 5 points, and Brandon has 3. That means Alex has 0.
That means Alex hasn't
So
even
he-
hit somebody in the head
He
even.
has to. He has to touch Marco and
Right.
get close
Oh, no.
and hope for the best.
So, real quick, what happens to the loser of all this?
See that shopping cart over there?
Oh, no.
We're gonna do it old Viva La Bam style.
Oh,
Get that-
Jesus.
Get them in there, and then we're gonna push them into that curb as fast as we can.
With the helmet, of course,
Yeah,
right?
we got a helmet.
Safety first.
You know,
You have
we're
the
being.
option.
So Alex, your first couch potato video. What do you think? You having fun?
Yeah.
All right. That's what we're all about, is having fun.
Yeah, that's what we're
Oh,
all
yeah.
about.
All right, so let's fucking do
All right,
it.
bro.
Do it. Gun.
Do it up.
Now, remember, when I'm filming, Jason didn't listen. When I'm filming, I'm tapping you on the right. I'm always behind you. They're never going to come up right behind you. All right, ready? Go.
Polo or Marco. Polo.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, no. Oh, they're going at him like that.
Oh, you bitch.
Oh, my God.
What the fuck?
Oh, my God. He's touching him.
Marco.
Oh.
All right, he's out.
Oh,
Whoever
no.
that fucking was. Marco.
Oh, man.
Marco. Polo.
Oh. 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 That was hard.
Marco.
I got a list to go through. A tap and a back snack. I gotta get the belly.
Gotta still make it a hit.
Marco.
Polo.
Oh.
Marco.
At least 3.
Polo. Marco.
Oh.
Marco.
Oh. Oh, that was hardcore, man.
Marco.
Oh.
I'm out.
Looks like the loser for
I didn't
today.
even get to shoot.
Oh, that's right.
Alright.
He's not the loser.
He could actually, Alex could actually be number one.
I
forgot.
I'm gonna load it up.
That's your friend. That's
Oh, no.
Fuck him.
Never trust Brandon.
I just want to throw him in the cart.
So, Alex, how do you feel about this opportunity to be number one and maybe throw Jason at the curb, man?
We'll see how it goes.
Or Brian, you never know.
Still got a top 9. If you
Hey.
get top 6, you're not the one in the cart.
If you smack the Marco's ass,
Right.
20 points.
Oh, where the hell this roll? Look at this roll all of a sudden, man.
Buy me dinner.
You know?
Dinner first.
He just wants to see
I'll smack your ass. Oh shit.
Nah.
We can do a last target practice maybe as a death round. Sudden death round.
All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
All right. Hand him the pistol,
All right.
sir.
So you cover, you can't see. I know you can see through that. Don't mind me. Don't cheat me. I know you can see through a little bit.
We didn't announce.
Because I had to
the
really
set
cover
round.
it.
Yo.
All right,
Yeah, I
sir.
can't see. Yo.
All right.
Good to go.
Cocked already?
Where should I go?
Oh, wait. Announce the points real quick.
Jason?
9, 8,
right.
6, 3.
Yep.
I got 9, 8, 6. Loser with the 3.
But he could be number one.
It could change. We'll see.
Alex, don't let him touch you. Go.
Marco. Polo. Marco. Polo. Marco. Polo.
Oh man.
Show it. Not even. You gotta fix it.
Oh, you jammed.
Pull the trigger out.
Marco. Polo. Polo.
All right, here's Alex. He's on the prowl.
Marco. Polo.
Oh.
Polo. It's fucking up again. There you go.
It's ready.
Marco.
Oh.
Marco. Polo.
Oh no.
This is not fair. Marco. Polo.
Wait, hold on. He's jammed.
It's not even working. Hey, he's giving up. Oh, fuck!
Oh shit. We got Brian bit. Brian, you alright?
Not a casualty.
My ass cheeks.
Oh shit, that's like 100 fucking points. Oh my god.
I think he's out.
He like super pumped that.
Yeah, I already lost.
Well, I don't know. Jason, number man.
I got at least 4 total.
I
stayed.
Taps
I
on
got
the head.
5.
It doesn't even go.
He only gets 2 points for hitting me in the butt.
Oh,
So that would
so
put
he's
him
still
at
at a 5. He's definitely at a lowest, Alex.
All right,
Get your helmet on.
get your helmet on, Sparky.
All right, we're back. The
Oh,
loser of
Brandon.
the day is unfortunately Alex.
Oh man.
It's not my fault. Damn thing didn't fucking work.
And Brian, we want to see in that video when you fell on the ground, you know. So don't edit out that part.
Oh yeah.
I got it all.
All right, so Alex,
Fast.
your rocket ship. We're all gonna blast you. Hey, maybe it would be a better shot if you're up front.
Yeah, yeah. All right. All right.
We're all gonna...
Oh man, look at this. Tater tots! Oh, Jesus, fucking shoe fell off. He's got no shoe on.
I don't know how that happened.
Oh man. Oh man. Who wants to try that for fun?
I do. All right. You want the helmet? Yeah.
Ah, no! Oh shit! Oh, he wiped, man. He fucking wiped, bro.
No, 100.
Marco. Polo. Polo. Marco. Polo.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh. Oh my god. Ah. Oh.
Polo. Polo.
Oh.
Over here.
Oh. Oh. Oh man. Oh Jesus.
I'm out. Marco. Polo.
Oh.
Got hit in the ear.
You got him in the ear, man. Wow, he knocked his ear off. That's me, Alex. Don't shoot me. I'm right behind you. Oh!
He's out. Is that shooting now?
I go. Edit point.
3,
3,
2,
2, 1.
Was it comfy?
Oh.
Alright, go.
Oh man. Jason, you're up, brother.
Did that make a mark?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Oh, it's like
Jason, are you smiling?
And one fell out.
Look at it. He's
Not
like,
yet.
yes.
Give me a second. Ooh.
Oh, he moved. Look at that blood, bro.
Ooh.
He bleeding, bro. He's bleeding. Come on, hold on a second. Let's look at
Let's
this.
see this.
First
Let's
shot.
Turn around. Turn
First-
around.
Oh
Oh, man.
my god, bro.
I can't
Oh my
see it.
god. You're dripping, bro. You're dripping, man.
God, I gotta take.
All right.
Oh my god.
Where do you think the best part to hit is?
Right in the lower back.
Same spot. Same spot.
You want side?
Best watch your
You
tongue.
want side, middle, or top?
Shoot, motherfucker.
All right, Jason.
All right. You asked for it, brother.
Oh! Oh! Don't move, Brandon. We're coming in on you, bro.
No.
What's that?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, that one welted
Maybe
him,
you should
bro.
take a step forward.
That's what.
2 lines. All
right.
right, there we go.
All right, let me get the gun in. Edit point right here. 3, 2, 1. Go ahead. Ah!
All right, Rick gets a shot.
Oh yeah, man. Ready?
Ooh. Ooh.
It goes away really quick.
It's like a bad shot. Right?
Mine don't sting anymore, just the one on my spine.
Oh yeah.
Here a little bit.
Fuck you.
Oh.
Ooh. That does give
All right, get a shot.
Down.
Oh yeah, that's it's a very nice.
That's a very nice.
I didn't even see where
It's.
Ryan, you know this is gonna hurt.
Nah.
I just took 3. He can take some.
Right.
It's not too bad. One of them.
I'll take 4.
Oh!
All right, give me that round.
Every one of you can shoot me. Every one of you
Don't
can
be a
fucking
big
shoot
man.
me.
Right, he jumping on his head like
Oh,
nothing
man.
around
There's
him.
already enough in there.
I'm
Go.
gonna put a couple
Go.
extras just in case.
Yo, where's the piece?
All right, we're back. I feel bad for these fucking losers. So I'm gonna stand on the first line and not be a little bitch.
How many you gonna take? How many
I'm
you gonna
gonna
take?
take 4.
Oh my! I'm coming on the side. Look at it welts. Look at it welts. You welted up, Brandon. All right, I'm getting your gun side. All right, edit
Get the
point.
good side. Hit him
All
real
right.
good. See that furry pass?
Oh, there's
Did
one.
that even hit him?
Yeah, I was getting, oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, it just flinched a little bit.
All right, who's next? Me? All right, let's get it in there.
And Jason.
All right, Brian. Ready?
Oh, Jason. There's Alex.
Alex turn.
Look at Alex. He's ready.
Break him like a champ.
Oh.
You felt that.
All right, Alex. The cameraman's gonna take one. You mind holding it for a second?
No, I do not.
Yeah.
You're ready, right?
All right.
Got the gun in shot.
Right in the same spot.
Are you okay?
Sorry.
Oh, that was a real
bro?
good whack.
Took it like a fucking champ.
Let's see the red dent in it. Let's see how bad it is. Oh man. Oh.
Alright.
That's gonna get bad. We'll see it here in about another 5 minutes. It'll be look real good.
yeah.
Let's see the back.
How's my back?
Very bad.
A well right there. I hit him over here. Right there, yep, right there. Hit him right there.
Nope.
I think you got one right there.
I
and
got
right there.
2 like up here.
Oh, do you? Oh, there's one right there in the center. Oh yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
Took it though. Ain't no crying.
Alright, that's the video. Hope you guys like it.
Oh,
And,
hold on.
some-
We have another challenge here real quick at the end of the night.
Now it's your turn, bitch. The chauffeur has arrived.
Is this
Get
the
in.
grand finale? Like and subscribe.
Good.